hanging like that. You gotta. You don't need your backpack on.
I just got yelled at for having a backpack. So don't bring a backpack, or at least don't bring it onto the track with you. Boom! Got the X, bro. I feel like I need sound effects on this.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost.
So I just arrived at Vancouver Island Motorsport circuit here. They're just opening up the gates and other riders are arriving right now, which is why it's getting noisy. It is right next to one of the highways here, and apparently there's a lot of complaints from the locals because of all the noises that the cars and motorcycles that go on the course. Anyways, I arrived. I'm still fucking nervous, but it should be fun. All right, we'll see you soon. Oh man, shit, I'm nervous as fuck. Also, I have to take a massive nervous poop. Whew. I don't know if they like having backpacks on, but I have my backpack. Shit, man, I'm nervous as fuck. Hopefully everything works out the way it should. It's weird that I can't see the speedometer or the mirrors. Alright. Alright, let's follow this lady. Look at this! All these bikes, and mine's the only one that's a cruiser. Like, oh, just looks so off. And there's Greg there. Check this out, like a hero shot. I don't have to take my backpack.
Yeah, okay. You don't need your backpack on, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, 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 no.
Can I leave this here? I just got yelled at for having a backpack. So don't bring a backpack, or at least don't bring it onto the track with you. Got a Ninja 400, Triumph 677. What? Oh, I should have paid more attention in class. Fuck. Oh, I can't see the mirror. Oh, what's with the leg thing? Ah, fuck. Right. No shoulder check. No shoulder check. Here's the entrance. Apex. And the exit cone. Alright, first turn. That's pretty cool. There's the yellow flashing lights. Oh my goodness. Oh. Alright, that's turn number whatever. Oh, that's the apex. And then entrance to the next one. Shit, I'm getting overwhelmed real quick.
So for those who haven't watched my first experience on a track day, this is actually a cornering course 101 given by TractionWerks Moto Guild, and this is one of the 4 sessions throughout the day. And the first session here was 2 laps around the track just to get familiarized with the cone and the layout of the track, and then after the second lap you are back to the waiting area or the pit stop for you to go out individually and actually start practicing your cornering drills.
Boom! Got the X, bro! I feel like I need sound effects on this, like Mario Kart. There we go. Oh my god, I'm on my own.
Fuck me. Don't check. Alright, hit the apex. Here's the entrance. Lean in, look at the apex. Here's the X. Select the spot, and then find the exit. Kaboom!
Alright, now it says to brake here, which means I should pull off a bit on the throttle. Here's the entrance. There's the apex. Oh, hit the peg there.
For this particular session here, all we were working on was maintaining our speed and understanding our motorcycle, so we weren't allowed to use our brakes or shifting our gears. Now, if you must, and of course, for safety reasons, you're not restricted from changing gears or using your brakes, but the practice for this session particularly was to ride around the track on a single gear, whether it's second or third. And the whole purpose of this was for you to understand the momentum of your motorcycle and getting to know your bike's limitations in terms of stopping power, just using your gears to slow down.
Get over here!
So here we have Jamie, who is one of the instructors for the TractionWerks Moto Guild, and I was one of his 2 students on this session, and it was my turn to shadow him, where I follow his lines and him pointing out which areas to target during my turns. And as you can see, the ratio between the student and the instructor is really good, which is 2 to 1. And depending on how fast you're going during your sessions, you're doing anywhere between 6 to 10 laps, and the instructor will be following behind you, or if there is something that they need to point out, they'll come ahead of you and tap their rear fender, which means to follow them, and that's exactly what I did. Now, if you're interested on what the TractionWerks Moto Guild has to offer for a cornering 101, I did make a video previously that gives you the whole layout and the synopsis of what the course entails and my personal experience throughout that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please click that like, and as well, let me know in the comments below if you're curious about my other recorded vlogs throughout this day, because it just gets more interesting, and as a rider I get better and better, and I'm pretty sure there's some riders out there that would like seeing other riders improve, and I can tell you at the end of this course I improved significantly. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, so you can continue to watch me grow as a motorcyclist and try on different things. Ride safe, ride prepared, ride on. Peace.